Hello and welcome to my closet. It is that time of the year where I have to switch out my winter and fall clothes and put in my spring and summer clothes. I'm not gonna switch out everything just because some of this stuff, you know, it's not, Texas is weird. It's winter in the morning and it's like summer by the afternoon. I'm not gonna exchange everything. Some of these items stay in my closet year round, but like stuff like sweaters and these like really fluffy ones are heading out. I also have a lot of clothes that I just don't wear anymore and I should either throw away because they're really like badly worn or donate because I just never really wore them as much. So I brought out all my clothes. Also, I did not do my makeup or get ready because I already started sweating. I'm wearing shorts today, first time in months, but that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. So this isn't just all my closet stuff. I have stuff in bins, I have stuff in bags, and we are gonna take a look at everything. So I'm just gonna start with the stuff in my bags first because, ooh. So we are down to my bags. We have winter clothes and summer clothes in here. We are just gonna take a look, I think first at the winter clothes so I can take out all the winter clothes and put it into the winter clothes bags, even though I think I need a new one. So let's start, okay? Some of this stuff I still wear, so like this, I didn't wear much this winter. I just didn't bring it out because there was no space, and when I did my whole cleaning, it was like fall. This I would still keep. I didn't bring it out this winter because I don't know. Gosh, this is so hard to decide. I love like winter clothes, so it's harder for me to decide on that stuff. I should have brought this out. Oh, I can still wear this right now for those days that I need to get ready. Okay, this has got to go. It ran its course. Some stuff. Oh, this is summer clothes. Okay, this is perfect. So this can come out now.
No.
Donation type of things. My friend Mariah gave me some of these. While I love white stuff like this, I am not a 25 at the waist. I could try them on. Before I was really interrupted because the battery ran out. I don't know what I want to do with this one. I guess we'll decide in a bit. We're keeping these. I feel like they'd be really cute to wear with something. I have black ones too. I don't know where they're at though. That tells you how much clothes I have that I just don't wear. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Definitely keeping this. Stuff I made like fashion design. I'm never gonna wear it, but like Your Girl made it and Your Girl's not throwing it away because it actually came out good. Again, just welcome to my closet. I have a lot of things that I need to take out. For example, all of these can go out. This can stay because it's actually cute and it fits with like, you know, it's not super cold or super hot. We'll decide you in a bit.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only
gonna wear this again, but if it's cold then I also can. So that's the thing, is that it's not completely hot, not completely cold. This one I honestly haven't worn, so adios.
It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Oh, don't worry about it, don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing. Ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice.
Okay, welcome to the bottom part of my closet. It looks like a mess right now, which is why I need to fix it up. Sometimes I can clean up one of these areas and fit clothes into there, which is nice. So let's start doing that. Oh, this fell. Okay, this stays. This can go into that. This is my laptop bag. I just keep it in here. Maybe I can put it somewhere else. This is the dress that I wore. Literally just wore it for pictures. I didn't wear it for anything else. But it works for like New Year's and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see it. I also fixed it up here at the back. But I'm gonna keep it just in case I ever go to a New Year's party. A bathrobe that my friend Jessica gave me. Can't wait till like I move out and have my own bathroom that can wear that. These are obviously gonna go out because it's no longer winter. I was thinking about throwing these away, and I probably will once I get a new set next year. But for right now, we're keeping them. Again, these are the same thing. They're kind of worn out. Let's start with this one first. This is one of my most used ones. So these are new. They're new undershirts. I didn't even remember I had them until recently I saw them, so they're cute.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by.
See, now it doesn't look as full. Like, it still has stuff in there, but like even just removing a couple things goes a long way. Let's do the jeans. So a lot of these jeans I still wear. Obviously, all my American Eagle I am keeping. Even keeping like these old jeans, because sometimes I don't go out and I would just wear jeans inside. So why would I throw them away and ruin like my good jeans? This is Aeropostale. We don't really wear them. I don't like how they fit me, so those are probably good donation ones.
If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my...
These are all my work pants from Zara. Honestly, I'm gonna keep wearing these, so it's whatever. I have khakis. I literally have a pair of khakis. Scarves, these can all go out of here because obviously we're not gonna wear them recently. A lot of video games and stuff that I don't really play. I feel like I can never move out of here. We have electronics that I can obviously keep inside or wherever else. Literally, look at that. We have my AirPods. I want to say that I do have a charger in here. Charger. I have like 2 brand new ones of these. Another one I don't use. One, I should just keep one inside my car, honestly.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
So far we have technically 1, 2, 3, 4 bins that are free.
small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this.
I've taken little breaks here and there, put away all my winter clothes that I didn't want in here anymore. Now we're just gonna start hanging all this clothes up.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
I'm gonna put these inside somewhere because I'm actually gonna keep them. Now we have all of this free.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
My hair is all crazy, but one of the last few things that I'm doing, we'll show you guys. So I bought a pair of cowgirl boots, and I'm just gonna put those inside my closet. And I'm also putting a pair of combat boots that I'm currently wearing, even though I have other ones, in here as well. So there they are. There was a lot of cleaning out and throwing away stuff. I'm pretty much tired. That's all I'm gonna do in my closet. Everything else is just kind of trash and whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.